Can you guys believe that Tyler is in the pool? His grandfather wanted him to go in the pool, so that's where he is. Look at him. Food time. Next come the French cheese, and then come the dessert. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. It's day 2 of our trip and we're up, we're full of energy again and ready to go. This time we are heading to my father-in-law to have lunch. Tyler is behind me with his toy bag. He's struggling as he wants to carry it by himself, and babe is racing in front of me because we want, come Tyler, let's go, we want to catch a store to bring flowers for the fam. In France, like I tell you guys, it's always tradition that when you're going to visit someone, you carry something. It's always wine or chocolate or flowers, and my father-in-law girl, she likes flowers, so we always bring her flowers. So we're going to stop at the flower shop and get her some flowers, and then we're gonna go and have lunch. But yeah, your girl is out, the fam is out. Tell us a morning, faves.
Morning, faves.
Where are we going?
The Papi house.
Yeah, that's what grandpa is calling French, Papi. So he's going to see Papi and he's pretty excited about seeing his Papi as usual. So let's go. And baby's there getting the car ready. Say good morning to the faves, honey. He's racing to get in the car. Ty, go in. Flower shop. Cute. Bonjour. Which one are you gonna get? Anything. Something small and cute. This one look cute. I'll take this one.
Apple.
Oh, you, not you. Oh, it's in the pocket.
Apple.
Where you see apple? So we're gonna get her this orchid.
I see the apple.
You see the apple? It's not real apple, no. Believe it. It's just decoration. No. No.
It's for him.
Yes, it's for him.
This apple is for him.
Yes. It's his apple. Don't touch. Don't touch. Cute little flower shop. We've been here before a few times. Pretty cute. These are how most of the flower shops in France are. Cute. How
And
dare you like Tyler, stop! How dare you?
Show me the flower.
There it is. It's a purple orchid.
The matching papers with the flowers color. I like it.
Flowers intact. Look at Tyler living his best life with his foot up here. Flowers intact, and now we are driving to my father-in-law's house. Make sure you guys just have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Now babe can tell you guys a good morning.
Good morning, guys. I'm looking at the direction.
So yeah, you guys, just stay loved, stay blessed. We love you guys, and subscribe if it's your first time to the channel, okay? and turn on your notification bell, you guys. That's the only way you're going to get. Oh, you want to do notification shout out right now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Who notification shout out goes to? Let's find someone right now so Tyler can give the notification shout out. Let's find who the notification shout out goes to. Ding 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 ding. Drum roll, please. Drum roll. And the notification shout out for today goes to. So the notification shout out goes to
Goes to
Nicole Turner.
Nicole Turner.
So thanks for watching, Nicole.
Thanks for watching, Nicole.
Hey girl, thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Anyway, you guys, on to the rest of the day. Tyler got bus from his grandfather, full of goodies, bees and chocolate. He have Kinder in it. Show the face what's in your bus. And I open it and show them what's in it. Ooh. Okay, you can close it back. Close it. Yeah. Merci.
Tyler, tu veux du jus de pomme?
Yeah, apple juice.
Non.
You know apple juice? What you want?
Wine?
Yeah, but see there, apple juice.
Tu veux du coca?
Oui.
Ah, il veut du coca. Tu vois?
Un vrai.
Américain?
Américain.
Non, mais c'est pas ça, c'est pour les dames, pour les carrières.
On limite. Ah, tu sais, il se brosse deux fois par jour.
Mais c'est bien.
Et si tu oublies de lui brosser, c'est lui qui vient te voir, qui vient te dire qu'il faut lui brosser les dents.
Lunchtime.
Non, franchement, là-dessus, des fois, c'est moi qui le. Tu sais, on a l'habitude. Les alcools forts, là, les. Je sais plus c'est quoi ce nom de.
Le sauterne, non?
Non, c'est genre de. C'est même plus.
Tu veux te baigner? Elle est chaude, hein?
C'est chaud?
Ouais, chaude. 25. 25.
Okay.
Pourtant, il y a...
Tyler, you wanna go in the pool? Oh, Papi's on the grill.
Papi,
Oui.
qu'est-ce que tu fais?
C'est pour mamie, ça. Pour mamie, là.
Oh.
Nous, poulet. Poulet. Et merguez. You like
Ok.
merguez?
The saucisse?
Merguez. Saucisse.
Saucisse, c'est bon
c'est
pour
poulet.
moi.
Et poulet.
Oui.
Et
Tyler, il mange tout.
mange tout?
Tout.
Ouais, mais c'est.
Bravo!
Bravo!
T'as l'école?
Ouais, ça prend les chansons.
The bass sound good. The speakers sound good.
Just book this one.
Okay.
C'est avant la
Food
récolte, mais on
time.
voit que ça
Veggies and barbecue.
c'est pas.
Come! Can you guys believe that Tyler is in the pool? His grandfather wanted him to go in the pool, so that's where he is. Look at him.
Le gadou.
Oh. Next come the
Je ne goûte
French
pas parce
cheese.
que.
Non. Et les petits... Ah ben je les ai mis là-bas. Tiens, tu prends les petites assiettes, on sera bien.
Tyler, you want more cheese? And then come the dessert.
Ah, il faut que je l'ouvre. Merci.
Look at him playing with his grandpa. So cute.
Mignon, mignon, mignon.
Bon.
Moi, je vais dormir.
Tu veux en refaire un? Avec moi en tout cas.
Écoutez, merci pour tout.
De rien. Eh ben, rentre bien. Hein?
Reposez-vous bien, bonne sieste et puis bonne soirée.
Hi, face, you guys. It's the same day. No worries, it's the same day. Yes, it is Sunday. You guys, we every time we come to see Babe family is as if we're running a marathon when we come for this short period of time. We went to my father-in-law, Babe dad. We had lunch. We went back home. We slept, and now we're off again.
Same thing when we go to Jamaica.
That's true. That's so true.
Yeah.
But when we go to Jamaica, we have a longer period
Right,
of time,
but
so we don't
it's still a
squeeze
rush
so
in
much.
this
You think so?
Oh,
You
it's
feel the
not.
same?
It's like every
Like 2
person have
events
their
in
own
one
day.
day. We don't
No, less.
usually,
Not
we don't
necessary.
usually squeeze 2 people in one day. Now we're going to be one of the best friends' house to have dinner. So we got a little nap. That's the only thing we could do when we got back to Mom's house. Nap, and now we're off again. So we did a little change and we're out again. Tyler hugging his bus that he got from Grandpa. You love your bus? Yes. You love your grandpa? Tyler loves his grandpa. Anyway, you guys, we are going to spend some time with the friends tonight.
Mama,
And we'll see you guys at some point. But the day has been going well in family. Yes, Ty?
Mama, give my bus.
Yes, Grandpa give me a bus. Anyway, you guys, we're out.
C'est filmé, je comprends pas.
To the truck.
Le pauvre mec est devenu frère John, il y a personne qui l'a appelé.
Wait, Lenny, wait. Look.
Qu'il arrête de travailler.
Lenny, look.
To truck.
Who's that?
Mais si je te dis,
Lenny,
c'était
look.
néerlandais.
Lenny, look.
Racheté la première compagnie là-bas.
Ooh.
Et après ils avaient
Oh,
recruté
you're
200,
so
300
cute.
Irlandais,
Look at his face.
envoyés là-bas au niveau management.
Lenny.
D'accord.
Tout ça.
Ooh.
Et il faisait partie
Who's
de-
that? Who is that?
C'est la mienne, les gars.
Who is that?
Mais c'est maintenant.
Ludo, attends, tu l'auras pas souvent. Moi je dors pas sur le
Tyler,
canapé moi.
you see the baby?
Yes.
He's so adorable.
Ah ouais,
Let
c'est
me say
exactement.
hi.
Mais il est
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Ouais, t'as pas l'impression que t'as de whisky. Par contre, à mon avis, c'est le truc qui te tape derrière parce qu'il est. Ça tape au ventre, ça te tue l'intestin au foie.
Dinner time.
Ton entreprise.
Yummy?
C'est pas que de riches.
Yummy? C'est bon.
Par contre, je vais te demander de la sauce.
Lenny boo.
Really?
Yeah, that's Lenny. That's your juice right here. Hungry?
Yes.
It does. Tyler's down there playing puzzle with Cindy. You guys, I am full and I'm tired, and life is coming to an end. I just want to go home and sleep, but it's the last full day here, so we're just gonna enjoy it and then head home. So I'm basically coming on to end the vlog right here because I know when we reach home I won't have time to end it. We'll go straight away because it's super late. So yeah, I just want to tell you guys thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Hope you guys are enjoying our weekend vlogs. catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another vlog. Hi guys. And baby's down there with his friends chilling. Doing boy things, watching football.